Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world around us. From self-driving cars to automated customer service, AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. But with these advances comes a big question. What happens to jobs as AI takes over more and more tasks? One idea gaining traction is Universal Basic Income, or UBI. Today, we're exploring what UBI is, how it could change our future, and why it's being discussed more than ever in the age of AI. What is Universal Basic Income? Universal Basic Income is a simple but powerful concept. The idea is that every citizen receives a regular, fixed amount of money, no matter their situation, whether they have a job, are unemployed, or even wealthy. This payment is designed to cover basic needs like food, shelter, and healthcare. The key point? It's unconditional. No hoops to jump through, no strings attached. It's about ensuring everyone has a financial safety net in a world where jobs may not be as plentiful due to the rise of automation. Why AI is pushing UBI to the forefront? As artificial intelligence becomes more capable, it's starting to replace jobs in various sectors. Factories are using robots to do assembly work. Self-checkout kiosks and automated warehouses are becoming the norm in retail. Even high-skilled jobs like accounting and legal research are being taken on by AI. This creates a potential issue: fewer jobs for humans. Economists predict that millions of jobs could be lost to automation in the next few decades. UBI is being discussed as a possible solution to ensure that even if people lose jobs to AI, they still have enough money to live. Examples of UBI in action. While UBI is still being debated, there have already been real-world experiments. Finland ran a trial where 2,000 unemployed people received about $600 a month. The results? Participants reported lower stress levels, better mental health, and felt more secure to search for meaningful work. Another experiment took place in Stockton, California, where low-income residents received $500 a month. The outcomes showed that people used the money wisely on food, utilities, and health care, and reported greater financial stability. These trials offer a glimpse into how UBI could impact lives. The benefits of UBI in an AI-driven economy. There are several potential benefits to UBI, especially in a future dominated by AI. First, it reduces poverty. With a guaranteed income, people would have the resources to cover their basic needs, leading to greater economic stability. UBI could also improve mental health, as financial stress is a leading cause of anxiety and depression. Furthermore, with AI handling many repetitive tasks, UBI could allow people to pursue creative, fulfilling work, whether that's starting a business, exploring art, or continuing education. In short, it gives people the freedom to focus on what they truly care about without worrying about making ends meet. Challenges and criticisms of UBI. Of course, UBI has its critics. One of the biggest concerns is the cost. Providing every citizen with a basic income could cost billions, even trillions, depending on the country. This raises the question, where will the money come from? Another criticism is that UBI could discourage people from working. If people receive free money, will they still be motivated to find jobs or contribute to society? Some also worry that UBI could cause inflation, as increased spending might drive up the prices of goods and services. These challenges are important to consider as we discuss whether UBI is a viable solution in the long term. The future of work with AI and UBI. In the coming years, the workplace could look very different. As AI continues to advance, many jobs we know today may disappear, but new opportunities will emerge. AI will handle repetitive, data-heavy tasks, while humans could focus on jobs that require creativity, empathy, and problem-solving, skills that machines can't easily replicate. UBI could play a crucial role in this transition. With a basic income, people would have the financial stability to explore these new opportunities, try new things, and adapt to the changing landscape. It's about creating a society where both AI and humans thrive, working together to build a better future. Universal Basic Income offers a bold vision for the future. In a world where AI may take over many jobs, UBI could ensure that everyone has the financial support they need to live a stable, fulfilling life. It's a concept still in development, with plenty of challenges to overcome, but the conversation around UBI is only growing as AI continues to reshape our world. Could UBI be the answer to an AI-driven economy? The debate is just beginning, and it's one that will shape the future for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into AI, technology, and the future of work.